Hello and welcome to day 2 of Module 4 of Unit 2. Today is Wednesday, October 14th. Let's see what we have for today. Remember, it is Wednesday, so today is an async day. You will not meet together as a class on Zoom. Let's see what we have. First, you'll watch this video. Then we will click Async. Today in Async, you have 2 activities. The first activity is in your text. You will complete pages 24 and 25. When you are finished, you can take a picture and upload the picture in the comment section and then click Post. All right, make sure your picture is bright and clear so we can read your answers. Then your second activity is correcting run-on sentences. It is a Google assignment. You have done a few, so we will continue to use them and I will show you how to do it. So you have 14 run-on sentences and you will correct them by using conjunction or by separating them into separate sentences by using punctuation periods. Okay, so remember, you will click My Document and your document will open and you are going to read each and make a correction. You can change the color, the font color, that way we can see, or highlight and change the font and change the highlighting. Okay, so that is what you can do. And when you're done with this activity, you click Submit. All right, and that is it for async activity. You have a wonderful opportunity with Student Services at 10 a.m. to do credential evaluation. What that means is if you have any of your documents from your home country, you can do a credit evaluation to get better jobs and go to college and get some scholarships. So please join Student Services with Ana Reyes tomorrow so you can get more information about that. The access code is here and also the link, and it's tomorrow at 10 a.m. And that's it. If you have any questions, you know how to find me. Good luck.